Hello everyone, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 29.
So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box.
Look at our first word, reverie. Friends, reverie means daydream. Its Hindi meaning is ख्यालों में खोना. Now look at its sentence. She was jolted out of her reverie as the door opened. Its synonym is fantasy. The next word that I have for you is adumbrate. Adumbrate means to foreshadow. Its Hindi meaning is झलक दिखना. Now its sentence. The project's objectives were adumbrated in the report. Its synonym is intimate. The next word is laden. Friends, laden means heavily loaded. Its Hindi meaning is भरा हुआ होना. Now look at its sentence. His voice was soft yet laden with threat. Threat means dhamki. Its synonym is burdened. Look at our next word, spouse. Friends, spouse means adopt or support. Its Hindi meaning is sahayata dena. Now look at its sentence. They espoused the notion of equal opportunity for all in education. Its synonym is embrace. The next word that I have for you is rife. Rife means widespread. Its Hindi meaning is फैला हुआ. Now look at its sentence. It is a country where corruption is rife. Its synonym is universal. The next word that I have for you is connive. Connive means conspire to do something illegal. Its Hindi meaning is sazish karna. Look at its sentence. The parents did not believe his greedy children would connive to murder. Its synonym is egg on. The next word that I have for you is recalcitrant. Repeat after me, recalcitrant. Recalcitrant means disobedient. Its Hindi meaning is hati. Now look at its sentence. He was like a teacher encouraging a recalcitrant pupil. Its synonym is uncooperative. The next word is heinous. Friends, heinous means wicked. Its Hindi meaning is बुरा या फिर घृणित. Now look at its sentence. This is a heinous crime. Its synonym is atrocious. The next word that I have for you is deleterious. Deleterious means causing harm or damage. Its Hindi meaning is hanikarak. Now look at its sentence. Divorce is assumed to have deleterious effects on children. Its synonym is harmful, or you can say injurious. Last but not least is indelible. Indelible means impossible to remove or forget. Its Hindi meaning is pakka. Now look at its sentence. The experience made an indelible impression on me. Its synonym is permanent. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of reverie? A. Laden. B. Adumbrate. C. Fantasy. D. Atrocious. Give me answer of this question in comment box.